Think you've seen it all? Think again. These 30 genius gadgets from Amazon will blow your mind and make everyday life feel like magic. Whether you're into smart kitchen tools, home hacks, or travel must-haves, this video is packed with surprises you won't want to miss. Let's dive in and discover your next favorite find. Tired of cluttered corners and wasted space? Meet the slim rolling utility cart, your new favorite home organizer. With its sleek design and smooth wheels, it slides effortlessly into tight spaces, holding everything from kitchen essentials to bathroom supplies. Compact, versatile, and stylish, this cart makes smart storage a breeze. Transform your living space in seconds with this brilliant sofa cum bed. Whether you're lounging during the day or hosting overnight guests, this dual-purpose marvel offers the comfort of a plush sofa and the convenience of a cozy bed. Its foldable design saves space while adding style and functionality to any room. Say goodbye to bulky furniture and hello to effortless versatility. Make dumplings like a pro with this 2-in-1 dumpling maker. This handy tool lets you fill and press perfect dumplings in seconds. No mess, no fuss. Whether you're craving momos, empanadas, or pot stickers, this gadget takes the hassle out of prep and makes every fold flawless. A must-have for any kitchen. Say goodbye to clogged drains with this bathroom sink drain strainer. Designed to catch hair, debris, and other gunk before it goes down the pipe, this little gadget saves you from plumbing nightmares. Its sleek design fits most sinks, and the easy-to-clean surface makes maintenance a breeze. A simple fix for a cleaner, stress-free bathroom. Maximize your closet space with this shoe slots organizer. Designed to stack shoes vertically, it instantly doubles your storage capacity while keeping your footwear neat and easy to access. Adjustable to fit various shoe sizes, it's perfect for organizing sneakers, heels, or flats. Say hello to clutter-free shelves and goodbye to messy piles. Upgrade your shower routine with this body scrubber featuring powerful back suction cups. It sticks firmly to your bathroom wall, letting you scrub your back hands-free. Made from soft yet durable bristles, it exfoliates and massages your skin, promoting better blood circulation. It's the ultimate self-care gadget for a spa-like experience every day. Tired of messy cables and unsightly routers? This Wi-Fi router storage box is the perfect solution. Designed to neatly hide your router, power strips, and tangled cords, it instantly transforms clutter into a clean, organized setup. With ventilation slots for heat dissipation and a sleek modern design, it blends beautifully with any decor while keeping your tech tidy and safe. A must-have for any modern home. Say goodbye to struggling with corks. This electric wine opener effortlessly uncorks your favorite bottles in seconds with just the push of a button. Sleek, stylish, and rechargeable, it's perfect for dinner parties, date nights, or gifting. Make every pour feel classy and convenient, because good wine deserves a smooth start. Soothe your little one with ease using this electric baby swing. Designed for comfort and convenience, it gently rocks your baby with multiple speed settings and built-in melodies. Its compact, foldable design makes it perfect for any space. Say hello to hands-free moments while your baby enjoys a peaceful, cozy swing. This 2-in-1 step stool ladder is the perfect blend of practicality and space-saving design. Use it as a sturdy ladder to reach high shelves, or flip it into a stylish stool when not in use. Lightweight yet strong, it's ideal for kitchens, closets, or any corner that needs a quick boost. Slice like a pro with this handheld Mandoline slicer. Whether you're prepping veggies for a salad or slicing fruits for snacks, this tool makes it fast, safe, and super precise. With adjustable thickness settings and a compact, easy-to-hold design, it's a must-have for every kitchen. Say goodbye to uneven cuts and hello to effortless slicing. Stay organized in style with this vegan leather portfolio with zipper. Perfect for meetings, interviews, or daily work essentials. It features compartments for documents, cards, a notepad, and even a tablet. The sleek, professional look and secure zip closure make it your go-to companion for productivity on the go. Give your living room a fresh new look with this L-shaped sofa couch cover. Designed to fit perfectly and protect against spills, stains, and pet hair, it's both practical and stylish. The stretchable fabric hugs every curve of your couch, instantly upgrading your space without breaking the bank. A must-have for any home. Upgrade your beauty routine with this foldable makeup mirror with LED light, perfectly portable and compact. It unfolds to reveal bright, adjustable lighting for flawless makeup application anywhere. Whether you're traveling or at home, this sleek mirror ensures you always look your best. A smart, stylish addition to every makeup lover's kit. Say goodbye to messy splashes and hard-to-reach corners with this 360 degrees rotating faucet extender. Designed for ultimate convenience, it gives you full control over water direction, making dishwashing, rinsing fruits, or even washing your face a breeze. The flexible neck and dual water modes let you switch between stream and spray in seconds. Easy to install and a total game changer for your sink. Once you try it, you'll wonder how you lived without it. Experience next-level convenience with this smart sensor trash can. With a simple wave of your hand, the lid opens automatically. No touching required. Its sleek design and whisper-quiet operation make it perfect for modern kitchens or offices. Enjoy a cleaner, more hygienic space while effortlessly managing waste in style. Say goodbye to bulky drying racks. This retractable clothesline is a sleek, space-saving solution for drying clothes indoors or outdoors. Just pull it out when needed and retract it when you're done. No clutter, no hassle. Strong, durable, and easy to install. It's perfect for balconies, bathrooms, or laundry rooms. Cleaning high or hard-to-reach windows just got easier with this U-shaped glass window cleaning wiper. Its ergonomic design and extended handle let you clean both sides of your window from indoors. Safe, simple, and streak-free. The microfiber pad grabs dust and dirt effortlessly, while the flexible wiper ensures a crystal clear shine, ideal for high-rise apartments and glass doors. Say goodbye to stubborn grime in window tracks, keyboard gaps, and tight corners with this 2-in-1 groove cleaning brush. Designed with a narrow, angled brush on one end and a built-in scraper on the other, it tackles dust and dirt like a pro. The bristles dig deep into crevices, while the scraper lifts out stuck-on messes effortlessly. Compact and easy to handle, this brush is perfect for sliding doors, vents, kitchen corners, and more. A must-have cleaning tool that'll make your home sparkle in places you never thought possible. Keep your kitchen sink clean and clog-free with this corner sink strainer with hanging mesh bag. Designed to fit snugly in the corner, it catches food scraps and debris before they block your drain. The disposable mesh bags make cleanup effortless. Just lift, toss, and replace. It's a simply a genius way to keep your sink fresh and mess-free. Say goodbye to clutter with this stackable storage container with wheels. Designed for easy mobility and maximum space saving, these containers are perfect for organizing everything from toys to kitchen supplies. The stackable design keeps things neat, while the smooth rolling wheels let you move them effortlessly. Whether it's for your home, office, or dorm, this smart storage solution makes tidying up a breeze. Keep your kitchen neat and spices within reach with this multi-tier spice rack for countertops. Designed to maximize space while keeping all your jars visible and organized, this tiered rack adds both function and style to your cooking space. Its sturdy build and sleek design fit any kitchen decor, making it perfect for daily use. Say goodbye to cluttered cabinets. This spice rack is a total game changer. Experience hands-free convenience like never before with this 360 degrees rotating tablet stand with folding arms. Perfect for watching, working, or video calling. It offers full rotation and adjustable angles for the ultimate comfort. Its foldable design makes it compact and portable, ideal for home, office, or travel. Your tablet's new best friend. Keep your entryway neat and tidy with this wall-mounted slippers rack. Designed to save space and declutter your floors, it holds multiple pairs of slippers in a sleek, organized way. Easy to install with strong adhesive backing, it's perfect for bathrooms, hallways, or closets. Say goodbye to messy piles and hello to stylish organization. Make floor cleaning effortless with this spin mop with cleaning system, featuring a 360-degree rotating head and an advanced wringer bucket. It allows for hands-free wringing and deep cleaning even in tight corners. The microfiber mop head absorbs dirt and liquids like a pro, leaving your floors sparkling. Ideal for tiles, wood, or laminate. This system is lightweight, durable, and super easy to store. Cleaning just got quicker, smarter, and way more satisfying. And there you have it, smart, space-saving, and time-saving gadgets that truly make a difference in your daily life. If you enjoyed discovering these clever finds, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing tools and home hacks. Drop your favorite gadget in the comments. I'd love to know which one wowed you the most.